There's no denying that we all want to save money, but is it worth the risk in terms of choosing free versus paid antivirus? And if you stay more online, then it is of more importance to have an effective antivirus installed on your system. However, you'll need to know the difference between premium and free antivirus software before you make a final decision on which to use. Choosing between free and premium antivirus software can be a difficult decision for those who want to keep their computer systems free of viruses, malware, and spyware. Overall, free and premium anti-malware software provide the same level of protection against malware attacks. Most of the changes are based on extra features and the effectiveness of the post-infection cleanup process. In today's video, we're going to talk about free antivirus, specifically Windows Defender versus paid antivirus. We will go through the pros and cons of both free and paid antivirus software, and in the end, determine which one is the best and most suitable for you. So hit the like button right now, and if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel to be informed of more informative videos in the future. Getting back to the video, there has always been some confusion about using free and paid antivirus. Some people believe that paying for antivirus software is a smart investment, while others believe it is a waste of money. Realistically, there are excellent reasons to pick either choice, depending on the specific needs of the situation. Let's talk about both in terms of pros and cons. First of all, let's discuss the advantages and disadvantages of free antivirus. Microsoft Defender, which comes standard with every Windows PC, is continuously competing to provide the best protection and most appealing features. It is good for the following reasons. Detect and remove malware. Windows Defender detects and removes a wide range of viruses and other malware efficiently, which is a plus point. Prevent new malware. Another advantage of Windows Defender is malware prevention. It monitors your computer in real time to prevent new infections. Monitor your home network. Windows Defender can also detect unknown devices on your Wi-Fi network, alerting you of an intruder and blocking hackers. Let us now discuss its disadvantages. Among them, the first one is it provides a basic level of protection. You are only obtaining a minimum level of protection for your PC by running Windows Defender. Don't expect to get a robust firewall or the most advanced anti-malware with a free application. Most free antivirus programs don't protect your computer very well and can only find certain kinds of threats. Sharing your information. Apart from free antivirus, all free software is dangerous in the sense that it often shares your data with the company. Sharing your information. If you don't know about this, perhaps you haven't read the terms and conditions of your free antivirus. This is yet another revenue stream for the antivirus software developer. A paid program can also allow manufacturers to share your data, but this is more likely to be an option. Choosing a free program means you may not be able to make any decisions about how it's used. Poor customer support. Using a free antivirus program means that there will be no customer assistance, which is understandable, given that no company would provide support to those who haven't purchased their product. If you're using a free antivirus, you'll have to rely on online forums and knowledge bases to get help if something goes wrong. That was the pros and cons of free antivirus, more specifically Windows Defender. Moving forward, now let's talk about paid antivirus. Premium antivirus software comes with a slew of new features, protecting you from even more online threats, including phishing, webcam hacking, and remote access hacking, and making you a much more difficult target. A good premium antivirus like webroot and McAfee has the following advantage over free antivirus. Blocking webcam hacks. Webcams are standard on almost all laptops, and if a hacker gains control of yours, they'll have a view into your personal life. In this case, webroot can identify and thwart webcam hacking attempts more efficiently than a free antivirus. Aside from that, prevent hackers from gaining access to your computer. Remote access assaults like ransomware are one of today's most significant concerns. Hackers can install a backdoor that allows them to manage your computer. But again, you would keep them out only with premium antivirus. Use dubious apps with caution. Premium antivirus like webroot allows you to run apps securely in a sandbox where they cannot impact the rest of your device. Delete sensitive files permanently. When you place a file in the recycle bin, it is not truly erased. However, some premium antivirus software will permanently shred files, making them unrecoverable even by specialized software. If you ever sell or throw away your computer, this will keep your sensitive data protected. Last but not least, outdated programs often contain security flaws that hackers can exploit. But a premium security program automatically updates your other software, so you can be sure that you're always running the most recent versions. Regarding the disadvantages, the primary downside of premium antivirus software is its high price. Paid antivirus products are often costly, and the cost of updates must also be considered. After the trial period, you must pay for a yearly subscription to continue receiving the benefits of the paid antivirus. Paying for antivirus products may sometimes include items that you do not require. It's possible that you're paying for a set of tools and features that you'll never use. To sum up the whole discussion, when all factors are considered, there are evident advantages to both free and paid-for products. For free, you get a virus protection solution that will keep your PC or laptop virus-free. It works well and is, of course, free. With the paid-for option, you get all the benefits of the free system, plus several extras like firewall protection, performance-enhancing software, and anti-spyware, to name a few. In the end, it comes down to what you want from your virus protection system. However, it is always worthwhile to consult an expert who can advise you based on your computer system and your internet usage. If you are looking for a good premium antivirus, then without a doubt, go with webroot. It is an effective one and also less costly. That's all for today's video, guys. What antivirus are you using? Windows Defender or any paid one? Tell us your views in the comments section. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. See you in the next video. Cheers!